To support a shifting load. On the outside, I got my clearance lights, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, amber in color. Got a sidewall, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, no holes. My DOT tape runs the length of the trailer, it's clear and visible. I've got a frame and cross members. Frame and cross members, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, no illegal welding. So down, I've got a trailer floor, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, no holes. From there, I got my landing gear and feet, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, all the way up in the up position. I've got a crank arm, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. It's in the stored position. Then I've got two lights. They're both marker, reflector, turn signal, 4 ways. Properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, amber in color. Keep walking till I get to this button. I've got a tandem release button in there, tandem release button. Properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. The button is all the way into the lock position. I've got 2 locking pins. You can barely see them, 2 locking pins. They're both properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, all the way out in the lock position. And I got a leaf spring hanger, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. From there, I've got a mud flap and hanger, 8 inches off the ground, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. Gotta go underneath the truck. Talk about a shock absorber, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, not leaking. I got an airbag, top mount, bottom mount, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, not leaking. Then I have brake hoses. Brake hoses, properly mounted and secure, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts, not leaking. That goes to my brake chamber. My brake chamber is properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, not leaking. Back side of the brake chamber right here, push rod and slack adjusters. Push rod and slack adjusters, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. With the wheels chalked and the brakes released, it should be no more than 1 inch of free play. My brake chamber to my brake shoes and liner, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, free of debris, minimum 1/4 inch at its lowest point of thickness. For my brake shoes, compress up against the brake drum. The brake drum is right here to create friction to help stop the truck. The drum, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, no illegal welds. Then I go to my rims. My rims. So my rims, inner rim, outer rim, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. Properly butted together inside this space, 0 gap, no illegal welds. Then I got my lug nuts, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, not loose. If they were loose, I would see rust trails and shiny threads. Got my oil hub, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, not leaking, filled to the proper level. Got my tires, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, no abrasions, bulges, and cuts, not leaking, minimum 2 seconds tread depth, filled to the proper level, 105 PSI. Yeah, not leaking. Valve stem, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, not leaking. My door tie, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. ABS light, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, amber in color. Marker light, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, red in color. Back, at the top, my clearance lights, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, red in color. Then I have my door hinges, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. My door latch and handle, door latches, and handle. Properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. The handle is in the stored position. I've got DOT tape and a bumper. Properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. The DOT tape is clear and visible. Outside lights. Turn signal, four-way, marker reflectors. Properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. Inside lights are brake lights, marker reflector. Properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged. Then I got a tag light, properly mounted and secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, clear in color. Those are also red in color. If I didn't say that. That's it. We can run for shelter. This one does have airbags. That one didn't have airbags on it. But this trailer do got. We got airbags, top mount, bottom mount, properly mounted, secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, and the bag itself, no abrasions, bulges, and cuts, not leaking. It's got a shock absorber, properly mounted, secure, not broken, cracked, or damaged, not leaking. Same thing, push rod, slack adjusters, brake chamber, brake hoses. That's it. That's it. So this trailer more like